5, 6, 7, 8. Badak.
Hi guys, this is Pallavi and welcome to another episode of The Hook Step. Today is pretty special because not only am I going to learn some really cool moves, but I'm also joined by someone super awesome, and it happens to be our boss lady, Miss Malini. Did you call me? Yes. Hi. Thank you so much for coming.
I'm so excited. This is like a bucket list. Have you told them where we are yet?
No, I haven't. We are here at the Shamak Davar Dance Studio.
Yes.
And we are going to be learning some moves from the god of dancing himself,
That's
Shamak
right.
Davar. So let's go.
Let's do this.
Hi.
Hi guys. Hello. Thank you so much for having us. But I've still not told them what song we are going to learn today. Do you want to tell them?
One of my favorite songs, Le Gele.
Yay!
So the first thing we're going into poses. Now the poses have to be down and up and side and just anything as long as you click your fingers in hands. So ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And a boop and a down. And pop and bust. Now. Strong back. Now strong, sexy back, okay? Yeah, that's it. Turn it out. That's it. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 8. Okay? Perfect. Got it? Carry on from there.
So let's step over.
1 and 2 and this is all what you're good at, so there's no problem. Not going to
From there, drop it down. Right hand goes up, and then again it's quick. Boom, boom. Left arm goes up.
And 5, 6, 7, 8. Da-da-da-da-da-da-na-na-na-na. Ba-ba. Da-da-da-da. Good. Ba-ba-ba. Da-da. Fantastic. Okay, so from there, we were going ahead. 5, 6, and give me. Hui na khabar. Chori chori chup chup kar. That's it. That's it. Good. Okay. Now.
Then we have these legs going this way. Pyar ki pehli nazar.
Jump. So do that step for me. Do that step for me. Boop, let's see, this is naturally for you, so it's okay. Only one thing, just keep that bent. That's it. Going ahead. Yeah. No, from here. Mujhko slowly and khabar. Chori chori chup chup kar. वो प्यार की पहली नजर. Dark. Got that much? And slowly from release. From here. And le gayi.
Release.
You're such show-offs, my God. You'll know this completely. Guys, sing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, so let's go. From here. Now pelvic forward. And don't relax. Just keep this straight and strong. And let's go. Only pelvic forward. Through the pelvic slowly. Pa, 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 pa.
4, switch, 6, 7, 8.
When you switch, look at the audience. Okay? Sexy. 5, 6, 7, 8.
And left, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
6, 7, 8, and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Perfect. All right, then next from here.
Ding, ding, ta, down, and look. 4 times. Up, down, and
So show the hands only once. It's in and up and cut and up. That's it. Keep your legs apart.
1, 2,
Strong.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Good. Yeah. Then
And then you're forcing each other for it.
and left.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Pose. Yay!
Oh my God.
Okay, so now I'm repeating again. We do this over an hour, 2 hours, but just today because they know their work and they're very good. We've done it fast. Okay, we don't teach so fast. All right, let's go. Music. Time 3.
तुझको हुई न खबर
Sing.
चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर
Go. 1,
sounds so much.
Thank you so much. Guys, we hope you liked that video. And I'm sure you did because, come on, it's Shamak Davar's choreography. Obviously, you'll like it.
But if you really like it, then I want you all to do the same thing.
And if you don't know how, there's actually an amazing class. You have a 25 years class, Summer Funk?
Yeah, Summer Funk is completed 25 years. It's never happened. So come and enjoy Summer Funk as well.
Yeah, so make sure you tag Miss Malini so we can also give you a hi and a shout out. It's the Shamak Dav, I love it.
I know you like this video because it's Miss Malini and all of us. So subscribe to Miss Malini. I love you.